Ever since I can remember, loneliness brought monsters to my world. I've been running my whole life. I'm losing my strength.
I will always get you.
Every day I give my time to other people. Every day I've been walking the same street and entering the same bar. Life is like an endless loop. Am I trapped in this cycle?
You are just like everyone else.
I want to be something different. I want to be remembered.
Is the world changing too fast? Why is everyone growing up except me? Am I wrong for not moving forward?
So much doubt for nothing.
I was fine the way it was. Why do things need to change? I can't see!
There is no escape.
I'm scared.
I'm no one. I'm falling apart.
And then I see you. A glimpse of a company.
Hold my hand.
Now my future stops screaming at me.
As stuck as it might be. Something has changed. Now, we fight together.